Hi, welcome back to my channel, Basic Code. Today we are going to implement the search functionality with the help of signals. So let's start. Here I'm going to use my old component, like this one is pipe that I created before. So I am going to implement the search functionality on this table only with the help of signal. So let's start. So here we are going to use the signals. So whenever we are going to use the signals, so first of all, we want to create the data with the help of signal. As I told you in my previous video, that with the help of signals, we can create any complex data structures as well. So we can create this data with the help of signal if we want to implement our search functionality with the help of signal. So let's start with this one. Okay. So first of all, we want to create this array with the help of signals. Okay, let's add signal over here. So now what we are going to do, we are going to implement a search function. Okay, let me do the functionality, then we will discuss about this one. So first, now we are going to create a signal. Okay, let's create a signal here. Search name, that's our signal. Okay, here we are going to pass the string. Okay, now we are going to create one computer signal. Okay, so let's create that one. We want to search as students. Okay, so let's create computer signal, search students, computer. Let's create arrow function over here. Okay, here we want to filter our students with the help of their name, and we want the data. If we are going to implement the search functionality, most of the time whenever we are searching, we are not using we are not using uppercase. Most of the time, most people are using lowercase, so we are going to filter the name with the lowercase. Okay, so let's start this one. So we are going to return this dot the students that we created with the help of signal array. So here we are going to use filter. What we want to filter, we want to filter our student name. Student. Okay, student. Student dot name. Okay, so with the lowercase, and we are going to includes this one. Search name. The lowercase. Okay, so here we created one computer signal where we are filtering the data with the lowercase, and we are filtering a name. So here we are going to create one text box. Okay, input field here. Okay, this one only, right? Here we are going to create this input field. We are going to use this input field for the search, and we are going to create one event over here. Input. So whatever the change search, and here we are going to pass one event. Okay. So here we are going to create that event, get the data, text field that data, and whatever the data we are going to pass this field, we are going to use that search. We are going to use this one over here. Let's get that event. Mm, Okay, here let's create student list. Event dot target mm, HTML input, right? HTML input element dot whatever the value we are going to pass over here. Okay, so this dot our search name dot set the student as whatever the data we get. Okay, initially we were passing over here the students. Now what we are going to do, whatever the this one our signal is getting that list, so we are going to use this that data over here, right? So here are search students, whatever the data we come here, that data we will use it. Okay, we are going to pass the parentheses over here because we are passing over signal over here. So let's see the results, then we will go through this one again. Okay, let's search now. Okay, if you're searching over here, now we can get the data according to that, right? It will work when we will use the capital also. Okay, so what we did in our code, whatever the array we took in the signal, then we created when we then we declare our signal, and we created one computed signal. With the help of computed signal, we are filtering the data, like whatever the event we want to pass over here, right? We want to get the data according to their name, so we are filtering that data over here after the event, right? Whenever after when the here we are, whenever we are passing the data over here, we want to search that data accordingly. So we are getting that data here, and we are using that one for the input, right? Okay, and we are performing our signal action. Okay, computer signal always depends upon the other signals. Okay, whenever the event is occurring, the computer signal is getting occurred, okay, executed. Okay, so and we are, it is giving us a filtering the data, searching the data, and giving us the result of that data. So if you didn't watch my video, you should watch my previous video where I explained about the signals, computer signals. Then you can get the better understanding with this one. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. That's all for now.